How to make passive income online? That seems to be a question. So how to make a passive income without working? So I'm going to show you in a website where you can install in your computer that will run in the background. Now this website, this program actually work on your PC or your laptop, your mobile device or tablet, Android or Mac, it doesn't matter. All you have to do is create a free account with it and install it, and you can make passive income every single month. So how much you can make passive income? Roughly, if you run this software in the background for say 24 hours, that roughly you can make around $132 for free. If you reach a $5 amount or $5 earning threshold, that's a minimum on your wallet that you can withdraw using your PayPal account. Now I already installed it on my laptop over here. I'm going to walk you through that. What is this website, how to create a free account with it, how to install in your computer. At the time I'm using on my computer, only one device. I'm going to show you right now how much money I earn, and I will let you know in the future how much money I make for this entire month. All you have to do is, if you want to see the entire result, subscribe to this channel, so like this video and leave a comment, guys. In this video, we can take a look at this website. It's called iproyal.com. I made a short video a while back. It's the same website, which this is the entire tutorials. So you can see make passive income online by sharing your internet. So what this website is, you can install this program in your computer. This software, you're going to share the unused data in your mobile device or unused internet on your computer or PC, and to do the multitask on other side, other end of this program. So for that, you get paid. So when you're sharing the internet, you get paid for that. It's completely safe, 100% safe. They don't share your personal details. They don't share your IP address or something, nothing like. It's fully encrypted. And to share the unused data or internet, you get paid for that. So you can see here, make your internet connection work for you. So each IP Royal client goes through the rigorous vetting process. Security is our tab and concern, and we take all necessary steps to protect you. So your internet and your connection is completely protected. So you can see, install the app on your computer, run the IP Royal app on your computer or your mobile device. The connection is gather bits of information from the internet. You can check the business cases to see more detailed explanation and the gathered bits for various services. So you can see there's internet that you can use for mining, to solve the multiple tasks, something like that. For that, you get paid for it, guys. Now you can see this is the important part of this video. So if you're able to share 20 gigabyte of data 24/7, so you have an unused device like your laptop or your second mobile phone, you plug it in, power it up, and on that device put this app on the background and run that app 24/7. And if you're able to share around 20 gigabyte of internet, that you can make $130 per month as a passive income. Now the earning of this is impacted by certain things. One, the device that you own. So if you have more device, then you can make more money. That's the first thing. Second, the speed of your internet. So if you're able to share the say 20 gigabyte of data, then you can make $130. So if you have a say 17, that is 112, a 14, 92, 8 GB data per day for 24/7, that you can make $53 per month. Even 2 gigabyte internet 24/7, that you can make $13. Again, guys, it's depend on how much of a data you share it per day. Then you will add up the entire month. Then you can withdraw it. However, the user can withdraw it from starting of $5 guys, and you can. Some people are making around $140 per month. Again, it's depend on how much internet. So my internet is very fast. So I have a Wi-Fi that's around 360 megabytes per second. It's very fast. So if my internet connected with this app, and right now if there is a usage for in my area or in my country, they use my internet and I get paid for that, guys. Now all you have to do is go to the top of this part and you're going to create a free account with it. So click sign up button and you're going to fill this information. Don't worry about the coupon, just put the email address and the password and log in your account. Now I'm going to show you my login account. Right now that you can see, this is my dashboard. And right now I installed this app on my computer before I record these videos. Say for example 10 minutes ago, I already earned 0.003 cents. That is not big, but if you're able to run for 24/7, that you can make big money from it. Now you can see it's showing the connected device. At the moment, one laptop is connected. You can use the Windows and Android, Mac. Again guys, you can download it, and this app is not available on Google Play Store, so you have to download a separately from this website and install it on your computer. Again, if you want to join this website, IP Royal, I put the affiliate link. If you join, I get the 10% of your earning, so the commission. So if you want to support my my channels, click the link in the description and you can download it, and you can create a free account and you can download it in your devices guys. Now what you have to do is, after you create the account with it, you need to go to this section called download, and you can click download it. Now depending on the device, it will automatically download for you. So if you open in this website on your iPhone or Android phone, it will only download that for your mobile device. If you open on your computer or PC, it will download for your computer and PC. So different devices, different downloads. Now after you download it, I'm going to show you how on my other computer how I set it up. So you can right now you can see here, this is an app is running in the background. So you can see this is not a website, it's an app running on the background. This is the IP Royal app. Right now it's only sharing 0.0153 gigabytes of internet, and that is equal to 0.003 USD. Now it's not that big again guys, if you gather up every single day, and you can make lots of money from it. So I hope you guys you understand this video. It's about sharing the internet and get paid for that. You can make a passive income every single month completely doing nothing guys. So I hope you understand this videos. If you want to create an account and you want to use the IP Royal to make money, click the link in the description and create your free account with it today. It will work with your mobile device and your laptop or your PC, whatever device that you have guys. I hope you understand. If you want to show your support, like this video, subscribe to my channels, and until I see your next videos, have a good day guys.